Hello, and welcome to Employee Attendance Management, alias EAM video tutorials. This tutorial describes how to create and set absence types that may be applicable to an employee's time log attendance in your organization. Using the Global Administrator user account, the one who registered for the EAM service, select Global Settings on the left menu bar. Then proceed to select the Absence Types feature option. The current list is pre-populated with default absence types that are typical for when an employee is absent from work. You can add or edit this list that is reflective of your company. Note that you cannot delete the default absence types. However, you can edit the Hours Approved field and the Employee View Enabled option of these default absence types, or mark them as obsolete to prevent them from appearing in other selection lists in the EAM service app. When adding a new absence type, click the toggle switch just below the absence type view title on the left to display the entry fields if not already visible. Click the Add button if there is an existing absence type displayed to create a new absence type, or if already clear, then proceed to enter the absence type ID. This field is limited to 5 characters. Then proceed to enter the description of the absence type. Then enter the hours approved for that absent type. This will usually be the number of regular hours an employee works in a day for your company, such as 8 hours or so. The Employee View Enabled option allows the employee to see this absent type option when making a request. Notice the statutory holiday absence type is not listed because the Employee View Enabled option is not checked. Since holidays should not be a request type for an employee. After the naming and appropriate settings of the absence type, click the Save button. You can toggle the card view to a list view if you prefer by checking the box Toggle List View, which you can also search if you have many absence types in your organization. The default list displays only non-obsolete absence types. Unchecking the non-obsolete option will display all absence types that are non-obsolete and obsolete. You can edit an absence type by clicking the Edit section on the card view. Or the line on the list view. Then clicking Save to commit any new changes. And that's it for this tutorial. Goodbye for now.